Hi everyone, today we'll be using watercolors to paint Space Mountain. To begin, you'll want to use a pencil to sketch out your mountains. Then take a black pen or marker or Sharpie and outline those mountains. Create planes to add dimension to the mountain. See how I'm adding shapes to the sides. Then within those areas in the shadows of the mountains, add lines and different textures going in different directions so it gives the mountain some depth. It also adds detail. You can make your own patterns. You can do crisscrosses or straight lines like I did. The spaces I left white are the snow, and then you can add little accents to those. I'm adding little dashes for trees or little lines and shading to just give the highlights a little bit more depth. Near the bottom of the mountains and where the shadows are, you'll want to add more marks and make it darker. Once you're finished drawing the mountains, you can start watercoloring. I'm starting with red at the bottom near the horizon right behind the mountains, but you can use different colors. As you lay each color down, make sure to blend it out so that it's easier to blend it with later colors. Now I'm switching to a purple color and blending that into the red. I'm adding purple in a V shape, but you can create any shapes you want. Just blend the colors together. Now I'm adding in areas of blue. Then I switch to a darker, cooler blue. And at the very top edges, I use a mix of that dark blue and purple to really get that dark color. Make sure to not leave any white. Then go back and add any more colors as needed. Once you get to a stopping point, this next part is optional, but you can take some salt and sprinkle it on top. You can sprinkle it evenly, or as you can see, I've concentrated salt in certain areas of my painting. It creates a really cool effect. While the sky is drying, we'll continue to paint the mountains. In the dark shadows, add a dark gray. I'm using a black and purple mixture with a little bit of blue. Do you notice the sky's changing? The salt creates this super cool texture, almost like stars. You can experiment with the types of salt and amounts of salt. The colorful sky will also cause reflections in the snow, so you can add reflection colors of super light blue or red, or any other color you used in the sky. Once the sky is dry, I'm going back and adding more colors to the places I want to be a little bit more saturated. Once you're happy with it, set it out outside in the sun to dry. While it's drying, create a mixture of 1 teaspoon of water and then its equivalent of white acrylic paint, and then mix the two. I placed note cards over the mountains so I wouldn't accidentally get white paint on the mountains. Use a smaller brush and then hold it over the paper and tap the top with your finger so that you can create splatter paint stars. And that's it. Congratulations. Don't forget to sign your name. Thank you for watching and have a good day.